Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making your phone ready. Enable NFC in settings so the phone can talk to terminals. Open Google Pay and sign in with your Google account. Once signed in, tap the plus sign to add a payment method. You add your card by photographing it or typing the number, then follow the bank's verification steps. This confirms you own the card. Make sure your phone has a screen lock set, because Google Pay requires it for security. Once your card is verified, set Google Pay as the default tap and pay app in your phone's NFC settings so transactions route correctly. You then pick which card is the default for quick payments or switch cards before a purchase if needed. Next, practice at a contactless terminal with a low-value purchase to confirm everything works. When the terminal prompts, unlock your phone, hold the back to the reader until you feel or hear confirmation, then check the receipt. To finish a payment, unlock your phone and hold the back close to the terminal until you see or hear confirmation. Do not pull away early because the tap must complete. If it fails, first make sure NFC is still enabled and Google Pay remains your default. Then verify the card is active and verified in the app. If issues persist, restart the phone, try another terminal, and contact your bank or Google Pay support for authorization errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.